In this lesson, we will see together les indéfinis, but we will see more precisely rien. So, of course, the question is, what are les indéfinis? So let's try to see that together. Indefinite words in French are used to refer to non-specific or unspecified people, things, or quantities. This is the first point. Second point that is extremely important. They often express concepts like quantity, frequency, or degree without specifying exact details. And this is a key thing with les indéfinis. You don't specify exact details. And the last point, they play a crucial role in constructing sentences that refer to indefinite or unspecified concept. So clearly, if you don't really want to be specific, you will have to know and master les indéfinis. In this lesson, we will see rien, and the indefinite rien can be translated to nothing or not anything in English. And we will see 4 examples with rien. Je n'ai rien mangé ce matin. Je n'ai rien mangé ce matin. Il ne se passe rien d'intéressant dans ce quartier. Il ne se passe rien d'intéressant dans ce quartier. Rien ne peut m'empêcher de poursuivre mes rêves. Rien ne peut m'empêcher de poursuivre mes rêves. Elle n'a rien acheté lors de son shopping. Elle n'a rien acheté lors de son shopping.